Have you ever wondered why Ayurveda prefers vegetarian food? To unravel this, let's take a journey into Ayurveda, an ancient system of medicine from India. It takes a holistic approach to health, one that emphasizes dietary guidelines. The preference for vegetarian food within this system is deeply rooted in several principles, each with its own unique wisdom. From individual constitutions, spiritual growth, to digestive efficiency, all aspects are considered. So let's dig deeper and unravel the reasons behind Ayurveda's preference for vegetarianism. To understand why Ayurveda prefers vegetarian food, we need to delve into the core principles of this ancient system of medicine. The first principle is Prakriti, which recognizes individual constitutions or doshas. Vegetarian diets are believed to align better with certain doshas. For example, a light plant-based diet is often recommended for individuals with a predominant Pitta dosha to balance their inherent fiery nature. Next is the sattvic nature of vegetarian food, which promotes purity and clarity of mind. Sattvic foods are believed to enhance spiritual growth and mental balance. In contrast, non-vegetarian foods, being more tamasic or rajasic, may be associated with dullness or excess stimulation. We also consider the digestive benefits of a vegetarian diet. These diets are generally easier to digest, aligning with Ayurvedic principles of maintaining strong digestive fire. Non-vegetarian foods can be heavier and may tax the digestive system, potentially leading to imbalances. The principle of prana or life force is another cornerstone of Ayurveda. Vegetarian diets are thought to contain higher pranic energy, contributing to overall vitality. Non-vegetarian foods, especially if processed or overcooked, may be perceived as having lower pranic value. Ahimsa, or non-violence, is a key principle in Ayurveda that advocates for harmlessness. Choosing a vegetarian diet aligns with this principle, as it avoids harm to animals. Ahimsa is considered essential for maintaining harmony and balance in the individual and the environment. The impact on dosha balance is another factor. Non-vegetarian foods may aggravate certain doshas when consumed in excess. For example, red meat is believed to increase pitta and may imbalance kapha. Vegetarian diets are often tailored to help balance specific doshic imbalances. Ayurveda views certain vegetarian foods like fruits, vegetables, and herbs as natural detoxifiers. These foods support the body's cleansing processes, helping to eliminate toxins. Non-vegetarian diets may be associated with a potentially higher toxin load. Lastly, ethical considerations extend beyond health in Ayurveda. Choosing vegetarian options aligns with the principle of ethical and compassionate living, contributing to a harmonious relationship with the environment and other living beings. These principles provide a holistic understanding of why Ayurveda leans towards vegetarianism. So, what can we deduce from Ayurveda's penchant for vegetarian food? It's clear that Ayurveda's preference isn't superficial. From aligning with individual constitutions, promoting mental clarity and spiritual growth, to advocating non-violence and ethical living, Ayurveda's vegetarian leanings are deeply rooted. The key takeaway? Ayurveda encourages balance, harmony, and mindful eating. Remember, balance and harmony are the keys to a healthy life. If you found this video enlightening, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more insights into Ayurveda. Thank you for watching.